project, 57 Chevy pickup, or truck rather, full-size truck. But I'm trying to get it going, and it took me a while to realise that the starter's on the floor, even though there's like off, on, start on the key. There's like a button on the floor to start. So we'll put some fuel down its guts and put a battery in it. I'm going to see if it turns over or see if we can get it to fire up. We just pulled a plug out, put a lead on it, check the spark. She's got spark, and cranking over with just the other 5 plugs on, she kind of had a bit of a fire, which sounded alright. So put the other plug in and see if we can get it to start up. I haven't worked out the sequence for the on, start, pedal, thing. We're gonna get off the foot, then get off the start.
Before we were on 5 spark plugs.
And leaks water, a lot of water.